Hello students, welcome to the class. Our subject is Nursing Foundation and today we are going to discuss about auditing committee. Now before we move to the auditing committee, now let me explain you what is this audit. Auditing means we are checking for the information, we are checking for the documentation and making a final statement on financial expenditures or result of that particular business or any organization. Especially we are discussing about nursing audit, where nursing audit is an assessment of quality of clinical care which is provided to the patient. Okay, now who is doing this auditing? A person, one who is doing this auditing, they are called as auditors. That means auditors are doing this auditing. Okay, now let us discuss this auditing committee. Now what do you mean by auditing committee? As you all understood, it's a group of auditors. A few members are joining together, then they are forming this committee, then that is called as auditing committee. Okay, now how many members should be there in auditing committee? Minimum there should be 5 members in auditing committee. Then it is based on the organization or institution to recruit or appoint the committee members. Like it can be more, 5, 6, 7, 8. It depends on the need of that particular organization and requirement of that institution. Organization management can recruit the number of members in auditing committee. Okay, so this is auditing committee. Now there are two type of auditing committee. Two type of auditings: internal and external auditing. Now, internal auditing means the faculty, staff of that particular hospital or organization, they are the one who doing this auditing. Maybe a doctors, head nurse, DNS. Now, external auditing means a faculty or member from the external organization or agency, they will visit to your institution and they are doing the auditing, like an inspector from INC or KNC. Now, like who will be the member of this auditing committee? You understood now there are different types of auditing, internal and external. Now, for both of these, internal and external auditing committee, we need the members. Now, who can be the member of this auditing committee? Clinical nurse, head nurse, nursing in charge, supervisors, or licensed nurse practitioners, or DNS, other client care personnels, medical record administrators. Now these all are the members these all are the people who can be the member of auditing committee. Okay. Next, what are the factors which affect this auditing committee so that it will show its effect on nursing process, nursing auditing? What all the factors are affecting? One is time. All the auditors may not be available on the same time. Group discussion may be failed. You are not able to have a free communication. Conflicts, misunderstandings. There will not be a right protocol to follow. Like there will not be a proper instruction for everyone what to do and what not to do. Physical health of an individuals. Psychological stress, they may not be able to bear the job stress, plus additionally you made them as an auditor and they're not able to follow that stress. Then lack of legal addresses, they don't have a sound knowledge on auditing and they don't know how to trace the documentation, and many documentations overloaded, then they may fail to read everything and find the issues, sort out the matter, and they're not able to make the report. Then they may also find a problem with like infrastructure. They may not find a sufficient place to sit and view the records. They will not find any helping hands. They don't find any assistants, so who can assist them in doing the work. Limited members, increased workload, work pressure. These are all the factors which influence. These are the factors which influence this auditing committee, like physical health, mental health, social factors, time. It's not economic, no assistance, misunderstandings, no proper communication, conflicts. Because you all are human beings. Definitely, when you work, one may not have a quality to adjust with other and do the work. Again, that will be a drawback. Now, What's the advantages of auditing committee? See, now when the advantage of auditing committee is auditing committee which will present in the hospital itself. I am talking about now internal auditing committee, internal staffs are there. So definitely they can make a right decision regarding auditing. They can make a time frame to work on that, and definitely once in a week or once in 15 days or once in a month they can give a report of auditing to the administrator. They can have a free communications. Their job, when the auditing committee is framed and completely they are working as auditors, then they'll get a sufficient time to think and rule out all the documentations and all the reports what already they got. So there will be a proper checking. Okay, there will not be any bias when you do the auditing. Okay, now when we do this auditing, definitely, as how I said, it's always better that we will appoint the full-time auditors in particular institution and organization. If it is small institution, then it may be difficult, but it is fine, quite big. In that case, it's always better that we will have a full-time auditors which is who is appointed by the hospital management or institutions, organizations, because they'll get a full responsibility of auditing. They'll get a sufficient time for discussion and thinking. They'll get a they will not be overloaded with the both the work like auditing and their other work, other job what they are doing. If it is overload, then because of that job stress they may not do it properly. But now when they are free from other job stress, they only act as auditors. They'll get a complete responsibility and authority to work or function perfectly 100%. So that's the reason we'll get a better result. So this is all about your auditing committee. I hope you understood. Definitely we require auditing committee to do the nursing audit. Please go through and please keep watching. So I'll meet you in the next class with a new concept. Thank you.